what if our body had no bones? Well, without bones, our body would have been a shapeless blob, because it's the bones that give our body structure. And without bones, there will be no structure. We won't be able to stand erect. And not just our body, everything around us needs structure or support to stand or to stay erect. For example, this is a beautiful house, but this beautiful structure has something very strong and sturdy inside it. Let's see what that is. When you see from inside, you will see that there is a basic structure of iron rods on which a house is built. And that's how it gets all the structure and rigidity inside it. And not only house, even this car has a very strong structure inside it. And because of this strong structure or frame, the car has sturdy body which can protect all the inner parts of the car. Now, similar to this, even our body in the inside has this type of a structure, and it is made up of a variety of bones. And because of this structure, our body is strong and sturdy. So what exactly is this structure? Well, this structure has a special name. As this structure is a system of bones, we call it the skeletal system. Now, this skeletal system is a very important component of our body. Now, just like the structure of a car protects the inner softer engine parts, which are very delicate, isn't it? Now, even our body has a lot of delicate parts inside it, which needs protection. So, you see, there are so many different types of delicate parts inside our body, and they need some sort of protection, right? So, the skeletal system provides that protection to the body. So, it covers all the important organs. So, if you get hit, it is the bones that get hit, while the softer inner parts remain safe. So, you see, skeleton has a very important function of protection. Now, skeletal system is made up of a variety of bones. So, it's not all a single structure or a single bone. There are so many different types of bones, as you can see, and they all together form the skeletal system or the skeleton. Now, do you know a very interesting fact? That bones are very, very strong. And how strong are they? If you want to compare, well, if you compare equal weights of steel and bones, the bones are 6 times stronger than steel. So you see, any steel thing which you see, they are so strong and sturdy, but bones are 6 times stronger than steel. So you see how strong they are, and that's why they're able to give a lot of protection to our body. So you see, bones are so strong, and that's why they are able to give a lot of protection and a lot of strength to our body. So, 2 very important functions of bones are that they give protection to all the inner parts of the body, and they provide strength to the body because they are very strong. So, bones provide protection to other parts of the body. Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, it is definitely true. Bones are very strong and sturdy. As a result, they give protection to all the other parts of the body. And this is definitely a true statement. Now, another important function of skeleton is that it helps us to stand erect. So you see, because of this skeleton structure, we are able to stand erect. As you saw in the starting of the lecture, that if there is no skeletal system, well, we would be nothing more than a shapeless blob. So it is the skeletal system that helps us to stand erect. Another important function of the skeletal system is that it helps in movement. So you see, it is because of the skeletal system that we are able to move, because it provides structure to our body and you are able to move because you have a skeletal system. If you don't have a skeletal system, well, you will be a shapeless blob. How would you move? You cannot even crawl, isn't it? It is because of the movement of the skeletal system that you are able to move from one place to other. So, skeletal system helps us in movement too. So you see, skeletal system is a very important part of our body and it has very important functions. So what are the functions? Well, it gives protection to our body, it gives strength to our body, it helps us stay erect, and also it helps us in movement. So all these bones are very important part of our body and we should take very good care of them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So